Maynilad says it is willing to drop its arbitration case against government if government is able to come to terms on tariff issues. Shaila Francisco with the story.
The Philippine government has yet to comply with the Singapore High Court's order to compensate Maynilad for its revenue losses. Maynilad Chairman Manny Pangilinan, however, says the firm is willing to drop the arbitral proceedings with government if both are able to come to terms with tariffs and other concerns.
I think we're trying to settle that kasi kami din, we don't want to be in that situation with the government. No? So I think that is being discussed with the MWSS because we, assuming we come to terms on the tariff issues, then we're more than willing to drop the arbitration case. Subject to agreement with the government on how we move forward on the tariff. Ang tagal na nito, so we want just to settle it.
In October last year, Maynilad's arbitral win against the government became final after the Singapore High Court upheld its earlier ruling as the government no longer appealed the dismissal of its petition on the case. In the decision, the court confirmed the validity of an undertaking letter which states that the government will indemnify Maynilad for losses caused by delays attributable to the Republic in implementing increase in water rates. The High Court then ordered the Philippine government to compensate Maynilad for its revenue losses amounting to 3.4 billion pesos after MWSS refused to implement these adjustments. Last April 1, President Duterte ordered a review of all government contracts. Malacanang says it has not received details on Maynilad's willingness to drop the case, but it will still push through with the review even if that happens. For its part, Maynilad says it is open to the review.
We've told the President we will cooperate in the review of any terms and conditions of our concession agreement.
For now, Maynilad is focused on ensuring stable supply for its customers by looking at alternative water sources. The firm has just inaugurated its second Putatan water treatment plant that will source water from Laguna Lake. The move is part of a program to lessen dependence on gov't Dam. The West Zone concessionaire is now planning to build 2 more plants in Laguna Lake aside from its 2 Putatan water treatment plants. Meanwhile, the MWSS revealed it has finalized the penalties it will be imposing on Manila Water after the water shortage last month. While the agency refuses to disclose the decision pending Duterte's review, it said there will be additional penalties on top of the firm's voluntary waiver scheme.
Dadagdagan pa yun, on top. Oo, malit yun eh. Basta may penalty at saka may rekomendasyon.
Shaila Francisco, VR1 News.